All right, new traders, here we go. The top 3 trading hacks for beginners. Hack number 1, trade what you know. What I mean by that is the last thing you want to do as a new trader is to dive into some small cap biotech stock that your Uber driver told you about. I mean, that is a recipe for disaster. Instead, I highly recommend that you trade what you know. Maybe something like Nike or Apple or Walmart, right? That way you'll begin to understand the correlation between stock movements and options movements on a company that you're familiar with. All right, hack number 2, follow the wags. I mean, this is one of the easiest ways to make money on Wall Street, and it's by following the money. Or in other words, identifying where money is being spent is the simplest, easiest recipe for success. So how do you follow the money? That's simple. Wives and girlfriends. I mean, they could lead you to the hottest emerging trends very early on, which can lead directly to winning trades. Women, wags, wives, and girlfriends, where they're spending their money, that's where you want to be on the stock market. Try it. It works. Hack number 3, Wall Street is not a casino. I mean, this is one of the biggest myths around, and it's that trading and gambling are the same thing. They're one and the same.
They're the same picture.
Nothing can be further from the truth, and here's why. In Las Vegas, gambling is an all or nothing proposition. You plop $100 on the roulette table, you put it on black, and you either double your money and win $100 or you lose it. It's 100% win or 100% loss. There's nothing in between. In trading, you could take incremental profits on anything you want. So for example, if you put $100 onto a trade and that trade goes up 20%, you can sell at any time and take your $20 profit. You don't have to wait for a 100% winner to close your trade. That's why the correlation between trading and gambling, it simply does not hold up. And in my opinion, that's why trading is a far superior wealth building skill. And there you go, the top 3 trading hacks. If you like this video and you want even more beginners tips, I'm willing to give you my full report today, totally free. Just click that link below and I will fire you over a copy immediately. And as always, I'm Bryan. Stop hating, start trading. Get that report, everyone. See you soon.